Hello everyone, Mugali Imran here with another Jumia video. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to order food on Jumia. To do that you simply go to the Jumia Food website, food.jumia.ug. So what can you order on Jumia Food? We have seen in the last videos we looked at Jumia and we looked at how you can place orders for computers. You can buy almost anything from the Jumia online mall. Now on Jumia Food, you can place orders for things from supermarket, local vendors. Maybe you want matoke, you want to refill your water, you want to refill your gas. Maybe you want some quick food. All that stuff is on Jumia Food with your mobile app. Now for me, I'm using desktop for today. What you do is simply choose what you want. Is it something from a restaurant? Usually you go to Food Mart or supermarket. But if you want food like me, simply choose a restaurant or KFC. Okay, so now after choosing the restaurant of your choice, remember Jumia Food, the way it works is restaurants, supermarkets, they register themselves on the Jumia Food platform, and then when an order is placed, the nearest location or the nearest supermarket, the nearest restaurant is the one that is going to access to process your order. So depending on your location, that's why the first thing you need to enter when you are signing up with Jumia Food is your location. Okay, so once you enter your location, press enter, and then Jumia Food will generate for you a service or the nearest restaurants, the nearest food marts, the nearest KFC supermarket, the nearest gas. You can see many restaurants lining up right here. Many restaurants around this place. Now, once you have chosen your restaurant of choice, you can simply place an order of what they have in their stock. Each restaurant has a different menu, depending on what they have on their menu. Now, these ones they have stuff like they have some French toast, they have egg. Now, this is not what I'm looking for. Sandwiches. I'm looking for something else. If you want to place an order for this, you simply click on this plus icon and it will go to your cart, and you click on add to order, and then you click on proceed to checkout. Next step here is you click on checkout and you choose your payment method, whether you're going to pay using mobile money or using a MasterCard or Visa or even cash on delivery. I usually check I think cash on delivery or sometimes mobile money. Anyway, so for me, I already placed an order some time back. Next thing is just click on place order now, and you receive a confirmation message on your mobile phone to enter the PIN if you have chosen to use mobile money, or you'll just receive a confirmation order confirmation message if you have chosen cash on delivery. Okay, now for me, I already and the next thing in a few minutes or so, about a few minutes or an hour, depending on how far you are from the nearest restaurant, you will get your order. Now, for me, the good thing is I already placed an order some time back. Now, what I can do is simply go to my account and then choose recent orders and then choose repeat order. Very simple and very cool, right? So I just click on, let me look for see something here. Okay, this one. So I click on repeat order. Okay, now this one takes me back to the vendors page, and then I can see maybe they have something new on their menu. I want to add that to my menu. Oh, I can even remove this from my menu. Sorry, from my order. I can even remove this from my order and add something else. For example, let me see. Okay, this one. I think this one is nice. Some katogo. I'm going to eat some katogo today. Okay, now I have a lot of stuff here on my order. So if you want to remove an item from your order, simply click on the minus button or click on the remove button right here, and then click on proceed to order. Sorry, proceed to checkout. Next, I've already taken you through all these steps. So as soon as deliver my order as soon as possible, you can even choose a date to deliver, whether tomorrow or next week. I don't know, does next week apply here? So click on checkout. And if you want to change the address, here's the chance for you. Change the address from here. Next, choose the payment method. I'm going to choose pay by MTN. No, actually, I'm going to choose pay by cash on delivery, and click on place order. And that's it. Well, actually, I think I missed a few lines here. I need to put the actual home address and the actual floor if you are sleeping in those huge apartments, huh? Right? So click on place order, and that's it. Yeah, that's it for the video. So you receive your confirmation message and you wait for your food. So enjoy. Thank you very much for joining me. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it helps you save a lot of time, maybe cooking, preparing the meals, looking for a supermarket very far away from your home, all that uncomfortable and inconvenient stuff, very inconveniencing. Alright, anyways, see you. Hope to see you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and also share the video with someone whom you know that has been suffering with this kind of thing, refilling your water, gas, all that. Anyways, hope to see you in the next one.